What up, y'all? Got another video out here today, man. This thing dirty, about to take us to the car wash today, but bought my buddy's trailer, man. I'm about to load up the four-wheeler. Probably gonna put the four-wheeler on here too, wash both of them. Been a while since I took the four-wheeler to the car wash, so might as well. Y'all seen from the previous video, man, this thing, we was out there in the mud a little bit, getting it dirty. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and load up my four-wheel car right quick though. Alright, I'm about to strap this sucker down and we're about to head to the car wash. Obviously, my Jeep needed way worse than my four-wheeler. My four-wheeler just dusted. I just ain't had it washing, man. I want to wash up a little bit because this weekend's my daughter's birthday. I'm gonna be pulling out my four-wheeler. What I'm gonna give her four-wheeler. So stay tuned for that video. We're gonna get a reaction from her, see if she like her four-wheeler, see if she ride the thing a little bit. Man, let's go ahead and strap this thing down, head to this car wash. We all packed up now, man. Got the stuff locked up, strapped down. Even brought some little car cleaning stuff with me. I might clean this thing a little bit, get it shining, but let's get ready to ride out. We just made it out here to the car wash. Y'all, the ride wasn't that bad, man. I was trying to test it out, see what's gonna ride like. When I'm pulling something, it swayed a little bit more, but that's because I can feel the weight back there. But oh no, this wasn't bad though. Ain't like I'm pulling a lot of weight. This is kind of a big trailer. This trailer is pretty much longer than my Jeep. But that's a big trailer for this four-wheeler right here. I need, if I get my own trailer, I'm gonna get a smaller one, probably like a 5x8 or something like that. I don't know, that might be a 5x8, I don't know that. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go pit and get ready to wash this quad first. Alright, y'all, we got the quad all cleaned up now. I put it back on the trailer. I'm gonna wash the Jeep just like this. I'm gonna pour the whole trailer in there. Probably just gonna wash mainly the Jeep. Might rinse this off a little bit more. Let's go ahead and get into this process now. I brought my windows with me, y'all, just because I ain't want to spray and get too much water on my seats, or my seat covers. I mean, it's open in the back. I'm not gonna spray too much from this angle. Back here, so I'm gonna try to spray this way. That way I don't get too much water in the front right there. Let's go ahead and clean this thing off though. Be it right here, y'all. We finito, man. We got most of the mud off this thing, y'all, and the four-wheeler shining. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. This right here, it'll be a Jeep and ATV video. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.